Before we get into the symptoms, let's quickly break down what the PCV valve actually does. The PCV valve is part of your car's emission system. Its primary role is to regulate the gases that come from the engine's crankcase. Over time, gases can build up in the crankcase as the engine burns fuel, and without the PCV valve, these gases could harm your engine or even cause oil leaks. The PCV valve helps release these gases back into the engine's intake manifold to be burned again, keeping your engine clean and efficient. But like any part, the PCV valve can wear out, get clogged, or fail completely, and when it does, your engine starts to suffer. Alright, now let's get to the good stuff, the symptoms. How do you know if your PCV valve is going bad or has failed entirely? Here are the most common signs to watch for. Symptom 1. Increased oil consumption. Are you adding oil to your engine more frequently than usual? A bad PCV valve can cause oil to leak out or get burned in the combustion chamber. This happens because, when the valve is stuck or clogged, pressure builds up inside the engine. That excess pressure can push oil past the seals, leading to oil loss. If you notice that you're topping off your oil more often, or if you see oil stains on your driveway, your PCV valve might be the culprit. Symptom 2. Engine misfires. Another common symptom is engine misfires, especially at idle or during acceleration. A faulty PCV valve can cause too much air to enter the combustion chamber, throwing off the air-fuel mixture and resulting in misfires. When your engine misfires, you might feel a jerking sensation, or the check engine light might start flashing. Symptom 3. Oil leaks. If you've started to notice oil leaks around your engine or on your driveway, this could be another sign of a bad PCV valve. When the valve isn't working properly, crankcase pressure builds up, and this excess pressure can force oil out of the seals and gaskets. The leaks might start small, but if left unchecked, they could lead to bigger problems. Symptom 4. Check engine light. Of course, the check engine light is always a key indicator that something's wrong. A bad PCV valve can trigger this light because it affects your engine's performance and emissions system. If your check engine light is on and you're experiencing any of these other symptoms, you should definitely have your PCV valve checked. That's it for today's video on the symptoms of a bad PCV valve. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future car maintenance tips.